If you're self-publishing a notebook on Amazon KDP and you don't have the interior yet, I'll show you exactly how to build one in Canva. Print ready, correct margins, bleed included, in the next 5 minutes. Here's what we're building. 120-page lined interior set to the exact KDP specification for a 6x9 notebook. Download it from Canva, upload straight to KDP, and it passes preflight first time. Let's build it. Open Canva and click Create a Design in the top right. Don't use a template or a preset size. Click Custom Size and change the unit to inches. Type 6.125 for the width and 9.25 for the height. This is not a standard 6x9. It's 6x9 plus a 0.125 inch bleed on all sides. KDP requires that bleed margin, or it will reject your file. Build it at the bleed size from the start and you won't have to resize later. Before you place a single line, set your margins. Go to File, then Ruler and Guides, and drag guides in from the ruler. For the outside edges, top, bottom, and the side facing away from the spine, you need 0.75 inches. For the gutter, which is the inside edge where the pages meet the binding, you need 0.875 inches. The gutter is larger because the physical binding eats into that space in print. If your content goes right to the gutter edge, it will disappear into the spine. Now build the line page. Click Elements in the left panel and search for Line. Drag a thin horizontal line onto the canvas. In the top toolbar, set the line width to span your entire content area and set the color to hex CCCCCC, a light gray that prints cleanly and won't compete with the writing. Hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows and drag the line downward to duplicate it. Repeat this until you have 26 lines on the page. Then select all the lines and use the Align panel to distribute them evenly so the spacing is perfectly consistent. Right-click the page in the thumbnail strip on the left and choose Duplicate Page. Repeat this until you reach 120 pages. You can select multiple page thumbnails at once and duplicate in batches to speed it up. 120 pages is the standard for a lined notebook on KDP. It feels substantial in your hand without pushing the unit print cost too high. Click Share in the top right, then Download. Under File Type, choose PDF Print. Not standard PDF, not PNG. PDF print gives you the maximum quality for commercial printing. Then find the crop marks and bleed toggle and switch it on. This is the step most people miss. That toggle tells Canva to include the 0.125 inch bleed zone in the exported file. Without it, your file will fail KDP's preflight check. Hit Download and Canva will render all 120 pages into a single PDF, which usually takes about 30 seconds. Log into KDP, open your paperback project, and go to the Paperback Content tab. Under Manuscript, click Upload Manuscript File and select the PDF you just exported. KDP will run a preflight check that takes 1 to 2 minutes. If your file passes, you'll see a green file uploaded successfully message and you're ready to continue setting up your listing. If KDP rejects it, the most common culprit is the bleed toggle. Go back to Canva, re-export with bleed turned on, and upload again. Before we move on, it's worth understanding why 26 lines. Line spacing on a printed page is measured in points. There are 72 points to the inch. Your content area is 8.25 inches tall after margins, which is 594 points. Divide 594 by 25 gaps, and you get 23.76 points between each line. Close enough to double space that handwriting feels comfortable, but tight enough that a page doesn't feel empty. Go below 20 points and lines feel cramped. Go above 30 and the page looks like a child's exercise book. 26 lines at 23.76 points is the sweet spot that reviewers and buyers respond to. The gutter margin is the one people get wrong most often. The gutter is the inner edge, the side facing the spine. On a recto page, that's the left. On a verso page, it's the right. KDP requires at least 0.75 inches for books under 150 pages, but 0.875 is safer and is what Amazon recommends for notebooks. The reason is physical. When the book is glued or sewn at the spine, the binding pulls the paper inward. The closer your content is to that edge, the more of it disappears into the fold. Get it wrong, and your lines will appear to slope towards the spine. Get it right, and the page looks balanced and professional on both sides. Before you upload, think about paper choice. KDP offers white and cream paper. White is standard for most notebooks, cream is warmer and slightly off-white. more like a traditional journal feel. Both print lined pages cleanly. More importantly, choose black and white print, not color. A lined notebook has no color elements, and choosing color print would add roughly £1.50 to your unit cost for no benefit. Black and white on white paper is the correct choice and keeps your royalty margin healthy. Once your interior is uploaded, the next screen is pricing. For a 120-page 6x9 black and white paperback on Amazon UK, your print cost is £3.13. That's Amazon's fixed base plus a penny a page. KDP takes 40% of your list price as their cut, and you keep 60. At $7.99, you make £1.66 per sale. At $8.99, £2.26. At $9.99, £2.86. The minimum you can charge to make any royalty at all is around £5.23. Anything below that in Amazon's cut plus the print cost wipes out your margin entirely. For lined notebooks, the sweet spot on UK Amazon is $8.99 to $9.99, enough to generate real income at scale if your cover hits a niche with search volume. The interior you've just built works for any lined notebook niche on Amazon. Swap the cover and you have a gratitude journal, a workout log, a meal planner, a habit tracker, a student notebook, or a project planner. Each one is a separate ASIN, a separate revenue stream, and the interior is identical. Just the cover changes. In the next few videos, I'll show you how to build a cover for each of these in Canva in under 10 minutes, and how to find the niches where buyers are already searching. One thing that makes your notebook feel more professional: page numbers. In Canva, go to text, add a small body text element, font size 8, color set to the same hex CCCCC as your line so it's subtle. On right-hand pages, position it in the bottom right corner outside the margin. On left-hand pages, bottom left. You'll need to do this manually for both page layouts since Canva doesn't have automatic page numbering, but it only takes a minute and buyers consistently rate numbered pages higher in reviews. Before you hit upload, run through this checklist. 1. Canvas size is 6.125 by 9.25 inches, not 6 by 9. 2. Outside margins are 0.75 inches on all 3 non-spine edges. 3. Gutter is 0.875 inches on the spine side. 4. Line color is hex CCCC, not black. 5. You have exactly 120 pages in your document. 6. Export is PDF print, not standard PDF or PNG. 7. Crop marks and bleed is switched on before you click download. If all 7 are green, your file will pass. If KDP rejects it anyway, re-export and check the file size. A valid 120-page interior should be between 60 and 200 kilobytes. Anything outside that range suggests a settings error. 3 questions I get every time I post a notebook tutorial. First, can I use this interior for spiral-bound notebooks? No, KDP only does perfect-bound paperbacks. For spiral, you'd need a print-on-demand partner like Lulu or Blurb. Second, does this work for a 5 size? Yes. Change the canvas to 5.3, 1 by 8.27 inches, with the same 0.125 bleed added, and reduce your gutter to 0.75 inches for books under 150 pages. Third, can I sell this same interior across multiple covers? Yes, and you should. 1 interior, dozens of ASINs. That's the model. That is the full workflow. If you want to skip the build and get straight to uploading, the done-for-you version is linked below. 120-page PDF built to the exact same KDP spec. Correct margins, bleed included, ready to upload. It's $4.99, or free for Template Club members. If you also need a KDP cover for your notebook, the next video shows you exactly how to design one in Canva in under 3 minutes.